Ever designed slides you're proud of and wished you could use that exact theme again? Or share it with someone else? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to export a Google Slides theme so you can reuse or share it in just a few clicks. Start by opening Google Slides. You can go to slides.google.com and log in if you're not already. From here, either create a new presentation or open one that already uses the theme you want to export. If you're working with a specific design you've built before, go ahead and open that file. Once the presentation is open, head to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Edit Theme. This opens a theme editor where you'll see all the slide layouts connected to your design. Here you can double check your fonts, colors, and layout styles. If you want to make a quick tweak before exporting, this is the perfect place. When the theme looks the way you want it, it's time to export. Click File in the top left corner. From the dropdown, hover over Download. A list of formats will appear. Most people choose PowerPoint.pptx if they plan to reuse the theme in other slide apps, or PDF if they just need to share the visuals. Pick the format that fits your needs and your download will start instantly. And that's all it takes. In just a minute, you've exported your Google Slides theme and turned it into something you can share with classmates, clients, or teammates, or reuse across multiple projects without rebuilding from scratch. If this walkthrough saved you time or taught you something new, hit like and stay tuned for more quick guides that make digital tools easier to use. Thanks for watching and happy designing.